Are your Excel formulas full of confusing references like B2 colon B50 that nobody, including you, can understand a week later? In the next, most Excel users write formulas like equals sum of B2 colon B15, and 3 days later they have no idea what B2 to B15. Here is how to create a named range in seconds. First, select the cells containing your sales data, which in this case is B2 through B6. Now look at the top left corner of Excel where now instead of writing equals sum of B2 colon B6, you simply write equals sum open parenthesis sales data close parenthesis, and Excel knows exactly what you mean. Look at how clean this is. Instead of a confusing cell reference, your formula now reads like plain English equals sum of sales data equals 69,000. You just learned how to use named ranges to transform messy cell references into clean, readable, professional Excel formulas in seconds.